All right, so have you ever wondered why the numerals look the way they do? Was it just a fluke or did somebody actually design them? Well, actually, someone designed them and they use this geometry right here. They use this series of circles, this pattern, to generate the designs of the numerals. So all the numerals are kind of hidden in here. You can connect the dots and create them. So what we're going to do in this video is look at the numeral that represents the number 2. So we're going to go to the circle that corresponds to that number. So for the 2, we're going to go to the second circle in the series, and we're going to see if we can figure out why the 2 has the shape that it does. So what we're doing is going to the points where we would put our compass if we were actually wanting to draw that circle. When I drew this, I had to put my compass down on the center point and then find one of the points and then draw the circle. So these are the 4 points right here that define the distance of the square root of 2 from the center. And so basically the numeral for 2 connects on all those points. There's 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, the box kind of inside there. So what we would do is we'd start here at this point and we're going to trace the circle with the radius of the square root of 2. Then we're going to go across the diagonal of 45. We're going to just go straight across like that to here. And then we're going to draw a line along the bottom from that point to that point. And that line along the bottom is the length of 1, 2. So we've got the value of the number that we're representing right in the numeral. 1, 2. So we go along the flat bottom, diagonal, and then the curve on the top. So those are all the qualities that we know about the 2. It's got that curved top, then it kind of works its way from that side down to the bottom, then a flat bottom. So this particular pattern might look a little bit more angular than what you're used to, but it's all there. That's all the ingredients for why the 2 looks the way that it does. So I'm going to just write it out here in red so you can see it a little more clearly. Go across the top to that point there. We'll go across at a 45-degree angle. And that length is the length of 2. Actually, it's 2 units of the square root of 2. And this is, so we've got the square root of 2 radius circle, 2 root 2 for the length of that line, and the length here of 2 for that line. So second circle in the series. It's a whole lot of 2 in there. Each numeral contains a lot of the value of the number in all different configurations. So that's why the numeral 2 looks the way that it does. Someone who's really smart designed it that way. They knew their math, they knew their geometry, and they came up with that symbol. So if you think that's interesting, give me a comment and let me know if there's any other numerals that you're curious about, because they're all in here. And because it's base 12, you don't really see the base 12 in this one. There's even 2 extra numerals, and eventually we'll get to those also. Thanks for watching.